Feet. Welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cars, Stains and Glass. And I'm your beautiful, nice and great fun host, Kuku the Internet. Hello, 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 hello. Perfect. And I give more. I get a little more guy. Leg in chat. Ali Pitso, Mali. So, if you go, engine Ella 16 feet, wouldn't be Rockella. And then we park actually. We park but I came up with the thing by myself. This has to be my project. Now I want to show you that I can do this. I want it to be my project. So you park can. So right now it's 16V. We shoot a 1.4 and then we are out on the streets. We are back. Let's go over it. Why? So now we're fetching the block. We're fetching a block inside LSK. This guy is clean. It's the rest velo. The rest velo. So what is happening is right now I'm about to have work done on Tswetsos. What's gonna happen is that we're gonna give it a proper sub-assembly. We're changing the sub-assembly. Changing the sub-assembly. It's going to be done by Zay. So guys, we started with the car and we're going to begin with the sub-assembly here and then the other one. So now let's get down and do the work done by Zay.
Hello.
Oh, manje isathusela. Yathusela man. So yeah, let's take on.
Oh, sorry.
Yo Robert. So yeah guys, yes. Kamu harus salah menaati karena bersab. Yeah. So
Ana beangi. Ibula makazi.
So yeah guys, I got a knock on number 1. This one got a knock because I was excessively revving, so which means no more revs. Taught me the hard way.
Yeah, trophy mama.
Kale. Mana? So yeah, now we are still here. This is a golf supermarket, chief. So yeah, still on the journey. I'm going to put in a new block. New block. Now they're draining the oil. So guys, the sub-assembly is out. Sub-assembly out. But he right. Block is on there.
Yeah, block is on there. Yeah, it's on there.
No, it's already got.
Oh, you didn't put up another video.
Hey, yeah, wow, wala Pitso. Pitso show nya wo wala. Ya mola o ilokile Pitso. Ah, ipotile ball. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna call it a day today. It's late and yeah, we didn't get oil. A couple of things still need to be organized. So we finish up the top, but you can see the blocks, the knocked block and the new block. So yeah, now we're packing up and we'll continue again tomorrow, guys. That is all we have for this episode of Car Stands in Class. It's gonna be a nice, good, beautiful, great, fun host and could be entertaining. I'm signing out. Bye bye. Tswetsos. So here is almost everything that is removed. This power steering, okay, no aircon, what? And this is the old pump. This is the old pump. Not the old pump, but the pump which was on the block that I'm gonna use now. And that's the knocked 2.0. Here is the knocked 2.0. If you can see, knocked 2.0. I'm gonna build this by myself at home. It's time I do it by myself with my own pace. So now we're gonna put this 18. Gonna put this block 18. Yep. This sub is fine, but then this is the clutch kit. This clutch kit was from that one. Remember, see how that block is? It's too naked. Everything moved from there to here. Everything there moved to here. So we're only left with this is the old pleasure plate and this pulleys. I don't think they're gonna work anymore, these pulleys. And what I love about this is that big strong sump. The big strong sump. This is the big strong sump we're gonna put in that one. And okay, this is the old sump, but then we're gonna replace it with this one. Replace it with this one. Look inside the sump. Yo. Decorations, knock. So I was just lucky. I was just lucky that this engine wanted me to get to where I wanted to be. Instead, they should have done this in the road. Although the pistons are not entirely the same, remember the aim is to get this car home. And all the performance tunings will be done by me at home. Just want to show you it killed piston number one. Look, big ends. Look, dead. It was about to seize, but it didn't seize. It just continued. So the difference between this sump and that one, this one is big and that one is a little bit smaller and stronger. I love it. That's my favorite sump. So yeah, this is the power steering pump. You're not gonna need it because if I decided that I'm taking it, I was gonna have to replace the steering rack as well. So that's too much admin. I'll skip. And yeah, I'm gonna put my gearbox. This is my gearbox, which has been with me almost everywhere. I didn't know that you could remove an engine and leave the gearbox. Didn't know. So yeah, the exhaust was also going to give us a problem. Since the exhaust is this way and it's still going to go back to this car, everything is going to be fine. Right, cool. What else did I not update you? Oh, here's the starter, my starter, which was always with me. I always take it. And this this alternator came with the 16th. So yeah, now everything will be packed up. A new day will begin tomorrow. Let me try and see what happened here. I can't see. I don't know what happened. I also don't know. I really don't know. I wish I knew. But what I'm going to do is to study how to arrange engines. I'm going to do my homework, study how to build an engine, and this one is going to be the first engine in the world built by me, by myself. I'm telling you now, if it needs that I need to enroll in an online academy or college, university, I'm ready for that. This which I'm seeing now, I don't like. I want to do it, and I'm going to know how it's done, and I'm going to pack it. I'm going to build it. That's my promise to you. It's my promise to you. So yeah, that's the distributor, which this distributor was on that old, not the old engine, but the 1.8 block. And this is the 2.0 distributor which came with me. And yeah. So that's what will go down. Okay. Now it's time to pick up.